Welcome to building a task manager app with drag and drop, an autism-friendly tutorial where we'll create a simple task manager in Next.js. No rushing, no jargon, just calm, clear coding. We'll do this in 5 steps. Step 1. Set up our Next.js project. Step 2. Install the drag and drop library. Step 3. Build the task component. Step 4. Build the task list. And step 5. Update page.tsx to add state and persistence. Let's begin with step 1, setting up the project. Step 1. Let's create our Next.js project. Run npx create-next-app task-manager. That's npx create next app task manager. When prompted, choose TypeScript and Tailwind. Then open the folder in VS Code. Pause here if you need extra time. You should see the generated project structure in your editor. Step 2. We'll install our drag and drop library. Run npm install at hello-pangea/dnd. Step 3. Let's create our task component in a new file called task.tsx within the app folder. Each task will be a draggable. We pass in its ID and index, then inside the render function, we return a styled div that displays the task text. This is the building block for everything we drag in our list. Here's something important. Draggable uses the render prop pattern. Instead of plain JSX, we pass in a function. That function receives 2 things: provided, which contains the props and ref that wire up, drag, and drop, and snapshot, which tells us the current state, like whether the item is being dragged. We return our JSX with those applied. That's what makes our element draggable. Step 4. Now let's create a task list component. We wrap the list in droppable, then map through our tasks array to render each one with the task component. We also include provided.placeholder so the list keeps its height while dragging. This gives us a proper droppable area with multiple tasks. Step 5. Now we'll update page.tsx to tie everything together. We set up state to hold our tasks and use a mounted flag to avoid hydration issues. On mount, we either load tasks from localStorage or seed a few starting ones. In the onDragEnd function, we immutably reorder the list so items move correctly. Whenever the state changes, we also save it back into localStorage. That way, if we refresh the page, our task order stays the same. With this, our task manager is fully interactive and persistent. To recap, step 1, we set up our Next.js project. In step 2, we installed the drag and drop library. In step 3, we built the task component using the render prop pattern. In step 4, we created the task list with the droppable. And in step 5, we updated page.tsx to add state management and persistence with localStorage. Now you've got a working task manager app with full drag and drop and saved task order. Thanks for watching. If this kind of direct autism-friendly tutorial is helpful, subscribing is a great way to find your way back here. Thank you for watching, and let's keep learning and growing together.